Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to share with you one trick that I discovered that allows you to have sourdough bread on demand. So let's get cooking. So when you make sourdough bread, there's two stages. The first step is to bake the sourdough bread for 20 minutes with the lid on. Then you remove the lid and you bake it for another 20 minutes. What I've done is I've stopped it at the first process. So here I've got my loaf that's gone through the first step, and here I'm going to take it out onto a rack and I'm going to let it cool to room temperature. Once it's cooled to room temperature, I'm going to put it into a plastic bag and put it in the fridge. And whenever I want hot sourdough bread, what I'm going to do is take the loaf out of the fridge, spritz it with some water and stick it in a preheated oven to 220 or 230 degrees Celsius and bake it for 20 minutes. And trust me, the bread comes out like it's fresh bread. My kids love it. We have hot sourdough bread for breakfast. We have hot sourdough bread for lunch. This makes life so much easier, and you can have sourdough bread hot from the oven whenever you want it. I've given half-baked sourdough loaves to family and friends with instructions on how to finish baking it, and they just love having hot, fresh sourdough straight from the oven. So it's a wonderful gift idea too. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again soon for some more cooking inspiration.